Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, December 5th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that the futures are trading higher by about 8 points right now to 2,200 per contract. Yes, the futures are flying high despite the Italian referendum vote. Markets seem to shrug that off right away. You have European markets up this morning, and everything is looking like the sky is blue. So we'll see how this all plays out today. But in the meantime, let's look at some stocks in the news. First one I'm going to look at is GWPH. This is GW Pharma. And what you're going to see here is the stock right now is trading at 109.93. It looks like they just reported earnings. Stock closed at 112.32 on Friday. So this is down ticking a little bit. Looking at levels here where I would get interested in a name, and I'm not seeing too much at the moment, but there definitely are some levels a little bit lower, but we still have some distance to go before we get there. So we're going to look at this one once the opening bell rings. Remember, this is a light volume name. Rarely does it trade 1 million shares a day, so you got to be a little bit careful, but it is a popular stock. So nonetheless, we will keep an eye on it. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. If you own this, I would trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I really wouldn't do much. At least not yet. Wait on pattern, and we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Chesapeake Energy, CHK. Right off the bat today, we do have, I believe, nat gas up about almost 5%. So you're getting a big bid in nat gas, and Chesapeake looks to have sold off some shale acreage. So again, they sold it for, I think, $450 million, according to the report I read this morning. And you're getting a little uptick in Chesapeake Energy. So we'll see how that plays out. But you do have other energy plays out here, like SWN, which is Southwestern. That is getting a nice little bid on the back of higher natural gas. You also have Devon Energy. I think that is up as well. Now, it's not doing too much in the pre-market, but nonetheless, keep an eye on it this morning, because we do have a big pop in nat gas futures. Let's take a look at RAI, which is Reynolds. And what you're going to see here is it looks like there's a report out on Bloomberg saying that they're going to have an increased bid from British Tobacco. So again, BTI will be increasing their bid according to Bloomberg. This is up a little bit from its close. Closed at $54.68, now trading at $55.10. There isn't a lot of news reports on Monday mornings. Usually you'll get a lot of earnings and such come out on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But we do have a lot of upgrades today. So let's take a look at some of those. Nike is being upgraded today. Now this stock has been beaten down pretty good. Right now it's trading at $51. I'm still not in love with Nike. I just don't think the chart is good enough yet. But nonetheless, it is getting an upgrade. It is up a little bit, closed at $50.46. Right now, you can see the stock is trading at 51 bucks. No volume in here. Tells me there's no real conviction on this upgrade. Next one is going to be McDonald's. MCD is the ticker symbol here. This is upgraded as well today. Stock is trading at 119.61 at the moment. No volume in there either. This tells me there's really no conviction. Still a ton of resistance from McDonald's around the 121 level if it does get up there today. Next up, we want to take a look here at Tripadvisor. Looks like this was upgraded as well. The stock right now trading at 46.46. No volume in here. This one is actually not a bad upgrade because the stock is at a low. So when I see something like that, I'm always a little bit more intrigued. Maybe the institutions will come in there and start to pick it up. This has been a very oversold name. This stock has been selling off now for basically 2 or 3 years. So, and it is, basically just off the lows. Here's the low print on a Pierce of 46. Right now it's at $46.46. So, again, not seeing anything terrible there for Tripadvisor, but I would look at that one a little closer because at least it's being upgraded at a low. Next up, we want to take a look at Goldman Sachs, which is upgraded. Stock's already flown high. Look at this thing. And now somebody's upgrading it all the way up here. That's insane. So, again, I don't like the Goldman upgrade. Not at this stage of the game. Not saying it can't go higher. Bond yields go higher. Most of these financials will probably go higher as well. However, with that being said, to upgrade a stock after it's up that much, that's really not something that we like to see. And generally, it's always, done to fool the small retail investor. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's switch gears here a little bit. The gold market. Gold is getting hit today. You have gold futures down $10.50. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see gold is trading lower. GLD trading at 111.12, closed at 112.14. So that's about a dollar fall. And again, gold futures down $10 right now, trading at 11.68 an ounce. So gold futures are down. With that being said, you got a lot of the gold mining stocks trading down a little bit as well. So again, keep those gold miners on watch today. They could come into some decent levels a little bit lower, but right now we do have gold mining stocks and gold itself trading lower ahead of the opening bell. We do have crude oil trading up 47 cents to $52.15 a barrel. So oil continues its winning ways, and again, oil is showing very, very good strength this morning. So we'll see how that plays out. Right now, you do have the USO trading at $11.59. This closed at $11.48 on Friday. So all in all, oil is trading higher. Gold is trading down. Copper is higher, and you also have nat gas sharply higher, up by almost 5% today. So again, keep all that on the radar. We'll see how this market plays out today. Again, if you want to come over, trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what it's all about. We've had a sensational 2016. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the trading year. With that being said, everybody, we will see you out there. And again, we hope you have a great trading day. We'll see you on the charts. Take care.